Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve the Credential Manager UI host is not responding error message that you are receiving on your Windows computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to open up the Task Manager. So go ahead and right click on the task bar and select Task Manager. You want to expand Explorer, and if you see Credential Manager in here, you want to right-click on it, and you want to select End Task. And then once you've done that, close out of here. Open up the search menu, type in Services, best match, so come back with Services. Go ahead and open that up. And now you want to go down and locate the Credential Manager service and double-click on it. If service status is running, go ahead and select the Stop button, and then select Start. And then hopefully at this point you should be good to go. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.